Hey everybody, welcome back. Today has just been chock full of difficulties. I have spent the majority of the night trying to figure out and troubleshoot what's going on, and I think my computer is going bad. The issue that is currently standing in the way is that I can't seem to get much to load. I was able to get this song to load, so I don't know if it's a computer issue or a Studio One issue. It's just one of those days that like literally nothing is working out. But I did get to get this one up and running, and it does seem to play just fine. So we're gonna go with that instead of my original plan, which was to talk about a handful of the plugins that we haven't discussed yet. Like, you know, like X trims and choruses and stuff like that. But this is going to have to do for today. This song was something that I had written for my son, actually. And I wrote it completely on this plugin here called State Machine BITFLIP. It is, as far as I know, it was free when I got it. I do not know if it is currently free. But it's like video game sounds and stuff like that. I actually really like the company that makes this. They also make another plugin that I really like, which is called the God Particle, and I use it on quite a few mixes as well. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description for that company, which I do believe is called Cradle. I use it on quite a lot of mixes. The mastering plugin, at least, I do use quite a lot. I always just put it on my master bus and, you know, just let it go. So this song is kind of in a very, very inspired Kirby song, the video game, if you know it, Kirby. But this entire track was written with this plugin. I'd change the sound, make something that I was happy with, and then mix it down into an audio, and then just kept going on until I had all the necessary sounds that I was happy with. So today, this is exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to shut my microphone off and let the song play through and just kind of show you what this free plugin could do with just a little bit of sit down and time, patience, practice, and yeah, just having some fun with it. So here we go. Okay, and that was the Kirby-inspired song that I wrote with this BITFLIP State Machine plugin. I apologize for any inconvenience this means to the mixdown master content. It's just one of those things. It's been a rough day, and I apologize, but we're going to get back up and running next week and get it all figured out, and that gives me some time to kind of, go through all of my stuff on the computer and figure out what the problem is. So hopefully you guys will make an exception for this week. I apologize once again, and we will get back up and running as soon as possible. Until then, I will see you all next week.